Okay, now, the part I was talking about that is here, of which you can see, if I can show it to you, is burned out inside there. See that? That's burned out. And it's actually chipped off and broken as well. You see that? Here's the new piece. Took me a little while to get it, but hopefully this will remedy the problem. So I'm going to snap that bad boy in, and we're going to see in a second exactly if it works. Be right back at you. Okay, I just installed the new piece. The compressor clicks back on, and the air is getting cool. So the overload protector is the name of the piece, and it's right under that nut right there with the black cap with the two circular ends on it. And it pretty much fixed the problem.